Hi friends, today we will learn. Hi friends, today we will learn the principles of Dhamma. This is sixth class social science. The edicts of Ashoka described the meaning of Dhamma. It did not involve worship of God or performance of sacrifice. Rather, it was a code of conduct and morals to be followed. It was inspired by the teaching of the Buddha. Through Dhamma, Ashoka wanted to instill the spirit of tolerance, coexistence, non-violence, and respect for all elders in the people. He asked his people to speak the truth, respect other religions, obey their elders, follow the path of ahimsa, practice charity towards the poor, be kind to all, including servants and slaves, live together peacefully. So, these are the main principles of Dhamma.